Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate HubSpot with SAML SSO for sales teams, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate HubSpot with SAML SSO for your sales teams, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the main navigation bar. In the left sidebar, locate and select Account Setup. From the available options, click Now. You will need to collect the necessary information from your identity provider. Log in to your identity provider's admin console. Find and select the SAML settings within the console. Locate the entity ID and SSO URL from your identity provider. Copy these values as you'll need them for the HubSpot configuration. Return to your HubSpot settings page. In the SAML configuration section, paste the entity ID and SSO URL you just copied. Next, upload the X.509 certificate from your identity provider. This certificate is crucial for establishing a secure connection. Ensure the SAML login URL is set to the URL provided by your identity provider. Now, configure the user attributes that HubSpot will use. Make sure to map the correct fields such as email and first name. After entering all necessary details, save your changes. Next, test the SSO setup to ensure everything is working correctly. Log out of HubSpot, and then try to log in again using the SSO link. If everything is set up properly, you should be redirected to your identity provider. Enter your credentials there, and you should gain access to HubSpot. Make sure to communicate the new login process to your sales team. Provide them with any necessary training to ensure a smooth transition. Monitor the usage and resolve any issues your team may face after the change. By following these steps, you will have successfully authenticated HubSpot with SAML SSO for your sales teams. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.